In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create multiple workspaces on Trello, 5 minutes. To begin, sign into Trello using your browser or the desktop app. Once you're on your boards page and fully logged in, look toward the top header. Click your profile icon to open the account menu. This is where Trello keeps account-wide options, including the control to create new workspaces. From that menu, choose Create Workspace. This opens a guided setup that walks you through the essentials. Start by entering a clear, descriptive name. A good naming convention can save you a lot of confusion later. Think along the lines of department and project or client, team. The goal is to make each workspace's purpose obvious to anyone who's invited. Next, choose a workspace type. Pick the option that best matches how you'll use it, like business, personal, nonprofit, or education. This helps Trello tailor suggestions and defaults so you're set up for success. Don't worry, it doesn't lock you in forever. It's mainly there to guide templates and recommendations. You'll also see an optional description field. Use this to explain what belongs in this workspace, who it's for, and how you expect people to use it. This is especially helpful if you're creating multiple workspaces because it gives members context and reduces onboarding questions. When you're ready, click Continue to move forward. Trello will now offer to add members. You can invite people by typing their email addresses or by sharing an invite link. If you're still organizing your structure or aren't ready to invite others yet, feel free to skip this step. You can add members at any time from the workspace settings. To finish, select OK, got it, or the final confirmation button you see on screen. Trello will create your new workspace instantly. You'll land in the workspace area where you can start adding boards, setting permissions, and customizing the workspace to fit your workflow. If you need multiple workspaces, for example, one for each client, department, or major initiative, simply repeat this process for each one. Keep names consistent, use descriptions to set expectations, and choose the most relevant workspace type each time. That way, your teams stay focused, access is easy to manage, and projects remain neatly separated. That's all it takes to create multiple workspaces on Trello. Follow these steps as many times as you need, and you'll have a clean, scalable structure that keeps your boards organized and your collaboration streamlined.